Here's how to do an ECG on your Apple Watch. Now here you can see I have my Apple Watch and I'm going to do an ECG directly on there so you can see how it works. So first just unlock your Apple Watch and from here scroll down and open up the App Store. If you don't have the ECG app already on there, you need to download it and install it. So tap on the search bar, ECG, and then just search for it or enter it in. You can see here's the ECG app. If you don't see this as an option or you can't download and install it, then your Apple Watch might not be compatible with an ECG. So I can also hop out of here and just find it there. It is the ECG with the little heartbeat. Now on here, your Apple Watch needs to be fairly snug, and it says hold your finger on the crown, which is this. Essentially just hold it on there for about 30 seconds. It says try not to move your wrist. Apple Watch never checks for heart attacks. It just checks to see if your rhythm on your heart is consistent. And you can see because I'm talking and kind of moving around a little bit, it'll go through the process and it might say it needs to start over. But again, it says try not to move your arm. Essentially go through this process to see if there are any issues. And after you've done it throughout the entire 30 seconds, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. It'll hop into the ECG, or you can also just hop out of here and then you can open up the heart monitor and you can go in here and be able to see all the results for that ECG. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video or you have feedback for me, leave it in the comments down below. I'm curious to hear, was this helpful for you or did I miss something and you're still having issues with the ECG on your Apple Watch? Thanks guys.